Hello everyone, and welcome to this video. And just like always, we have another success story with us, who is Krishna. And the kind of results that Krishna has achieved within this short period of time since he started working with us has been literally phenomenal. And that's exactly what I want to discuss inside of this particular video. So, Krishna, just before we get started, how are you doing and what's happening?
Yeah, I'm doing great right now. Actually, in the this in this new year, from January and February, I have some tried and tested some products. Literally, I am in training industry from this lockdown period only. From the last 9 months, I am in online trainings and some consultations also. And from January, I have started a product. It's called Digital Business Mentorship or
Mm-hmm.
Digital Business Model. In that program, we help people to start their own digital marketing agency or to promote any of the business online through the models. It's sort of kind of AFDT program also. I think I have sent the curriculum to you before testing the program. Many things are common. The same thing, only the change is that we are giving personalized support and personalized website development inside our product. So, according to the product of my prospect, whether he is in coaching or whether he is in e-commerce or whether he wants to promote his any retail business, we just make a strategy, a customized strategy for him, and we also provide a six-page website within the program.
Amazing. That's so good to know. Krishna, if you can just begin, let's just get started before we talk about your product and what you have done so far. If you can just tell me a little bit about your background and how did you get into this whole coaching and consulting space, then that'll be very helpful.
Yes, I am in digital marketing training from last 3 years. Actually, my core business is training only, but I was not connected with the digital marketing. I was only using digital marketing to promote my other offline trainings. I am into agricultural trainings, I am into business trainings, I am into sales trainings. But all the trainings were like that model was like to arrange trainings in various cities and enroll the candidates through Facebook lead generation and Facebook ads. It was the only model I was or I am working since 2013. In 2018, I started conducting digital marketing webinars. So the main core was Facebook lead generation and Google Ads in that program. Basics of the Facebook lead generation, Facebook ads or digital marketing was being taught in the program. I conducted or I taught near about 300 students in offline in 2018 and 19. But at that time we planned for the expansion, and
Hmm.
suddenly 2020 that lockdown and Corona thing happened.
Hmm.
So in the March, I designed online training program. It was Business Digitally. The name of the program was Business Digitally. It was a 14 hours online program on my LMS system, and it was a huge success in the beginning. Literally, I sold more than 4,000 programs in less than 4 months.
Mm-hmm.
But as also the ad spend or return on ad was it was giving a fabulous results in the lockdown period. But from the September, things changed and everything started going against me, or everything started going wrong. Literally, I have earned more than 25 lakhs in those 4 months. I mean, from March 2020 to April, May, June, July, and August.
Hmm.
And from September to December, I nearly lost everything because due to lack of knowledge of policy, uh, in terms of just trying to recover my money, I spend more money on ads.
Hmm.
And one more thing happened that before this journey in 2020, I think January 2020, I had a call with Pratham.
Hmm.
After it was in the last December, last 2019, I think, Diwali,
Hmm.
October or November. But I also enrolled for program when the program fees was very less. I think now EWT have upgraded their plans. I also paid, I think, some sort of signing amount, but I was not able to make it because some things just changed. I got my leg was fractured in a small accident. So I don't know why, but it didn't work out. I mean, I didn't join with UFDT. After several follow-ups of Pratham, he straightly asked me, "Are you really interested or not?" I said, "I am. It will not be possible for me, or I am not interested." The conversation was stopped on that point in 2019, December. After that, I was engaged in my all the activities and all those things. In the mid of 2020, I got a huge success. I sold near about 3,000 agricultural trainings. All my trainings are in Marathi and 4,000 trainings of my digital marketing. So it was a huge collection for us. Like before that, in offline model, my yearly revenue is near about 30, 35 lakhs or 40 lakhs, with a margin of 25 to 30% maximum, because arrangement cost and all the logistic that is being covered out of that revenue only. But in those 4 months, I collected more than 35 lakhs in the online model. And we all were just excited that we have found something new. So we were just trying to scale. I was just taking new courses, learning some new strategies and trying it on my own ads. And as a result, in September, October and November 2020, I nearly lost everything. I spent almost 12 lakhs in those 3 months with zero conversion. Or the conversion was more than 5 times. Means my product was of 1199 and I was spending sometimes 5,000 per conversion. So again, your ads came across because they were just hitting all the time, remarketing and those tools were hitting us. So I again decided to call Pratham. I booked a call with him. Then again, sad thing happened that I came to know the prices are more than double for what I was being introduced to the program. It was I think 30 or 35K something. It was in 2019 and price. Then I came to know that it is 70,000. Literally at that time I was not having any adjustment. Pratham knows everything. So after discussion of 1 hour, because I was decided that it will not be, this call will not happen like my last call, as it happened in 2019. Whatever I have to do, I will do today. So the same day I paid some, as per my commitment, some first installment I paid and I just started. But in beginning of, in the first 7 days, I literally completed 2 weeks of that program, and I came to know that issue is in my products. Actually, the same things are being sold at a very high ticket, and I was underestimating myself that there is something that I have to learn, and after that I can consult on, or after that only I can establish myself as an expert. So within those 2 weeks, I came to know that all these things or all those thoughts that I have, they don't have any meaning, or I can design anything. So in the mean period, I started working on my product. I converted my digital marketing course into a dedicated customized consultancy or mentorship product like UFDT. UFDT is, I'm not at that range, but I try to mentor my existing clients that I can cover their issues and I can provide a good market, or I can provide a good value through the whatever knowledge I have. So I started digging. As per taught in the course, I did everything. Literally, I have done each and every exercise at least 3 to 4 times. I have done MVP, I have done niche research, I have done problem research, hypothesis, and as a trainer, I love to talk. I have some problem with English communication, but in my native language, I love to talk. I just love to talk. So I made near about 75 calls before selling because
Hmm.
I was having huge database of my clients, and those clients are also happy with my program, that they buy my program of 777 or 1000 or 1199.
Hmm.
But in that 70 to 75 calls, I came to know that people are loving me and they can or they are ready to invest whatever amount I am trying. So as a result, in my first day, when I just set up my all the system, I recorded that low fidelity video. I sent to you. It was got approved by that. Just you can carry on. I just edited my PPTs, I customized it. So initially it was just a copy of UFDT PPT and I just recorded a video. And most miraculous thing I found, and that is helping me even today, that I was giving a lot of time for video editings. Like
Hmm.
that green screen, those lights, everything. But from your that MVP funnel or that sales video, I came to know that I can just record and edit it at the same time with my laptop.
Hmm.
So from that day, the first day when I saw your MVP and I decided to design my own. From that day, all my training videos are being recorded in the same format. That corner photograph of mine and say everything is as same as you. So what happened? It just boosted my speed of course creation. So in the month of December, on the 17th December, I think 17th December, I made my initial 6 calls, and out of 6, 5 people signed up for my program at 20,500,
Wow.
and it was just like a miracle for me because I was not expecting that kind of anything. 3 people paid 100% amount, 2 people paid 5,000 rupees as signing amount, and then pressure started increasing on me because course was not completed, and I was just selling the menu or index.
Hmm.
Once the content of the course was being sold by me. So,
Exactly.
taught by you the formula before creating product, you can test it, you can sell it. So, then again, the theories taught in your program were again proven. So, my confidence increased, and in the month of December, I completed 2 weeks recording of my program. Third week is still under recording because in the mid period that iOS update happened and everything taught in my videos about Facebook pixels, it all changed. So 16 to 17 hours of my recording is raw. So
Hmm.
I am again shooting third week. Every day I am adding new videos or new menu, new index, new content. I also added some meditations in the second week. As UAPT is teaching mindset, I have clubbed it with some spirituality and some tools that I learned from various mentors from UAPT. So I have just clubbed that second week, and people are really loving this week. So the only thing I can say that the process of selling or the 7 Ps was the biggest tool that I got from UAPT, from Rohan, from Pratham, entire UAPT team. And it is just as fractals, or it's a, what can I say, it's a stick that चालू की स्टडी उसको सके उससे हम लोग I can achieve any kind of result with that script only, because I have tested in my other products same scripts and it's working miraculously, and in the 2 months period only I have increased my 20,500 ticket to 35,500. Initially I was giving spot sign up 5,000 rupees discount. Right now I am not giving any kind of discount. And till this month, I have signed 27, I think, 26, it was till yesterday, 16 with full payment, and 10% with some 50% or 25% payment. and I have at least 10 commitments for this month. So from today, I have stopped calling, and I'm again starting to finish that program recording. This is all journey in my language, what I can express.
Fantastic, Krishna. I mean, so proud of you. So, if you have to take 27 units, how much are you doing right now per month?
Actually, my January and February revenue is 6,50,000 till yesterday.
Wow.
Six and yeah, and it is if I can if I calculate my commitments or the payments that I got means the minimum signing amount 2,000 or 1,000. I am not calculating. If I calculate all those in the same amount, it is more than 7.5 lakhs.
Wow. Is it like both for January and February, or is it like combined, or is it monthly?
No, it is January and February combined.
Okay. So it's like
Yeah.
3 to 4 lakhs approximately per month, right?
3 to 4 lakhs per month. And I can see that I can scale it up to 10 lakhs because I just have to increase the frequency of my calls only. There is
Exactly.
because I was already having database. I was having some people who were inspired of who think that I can give value. So it was really very easy with that 7 piece to convert those people, and
Right.
it is working miraculously. And ongoingly, I am testing and changing my product. Last week, I have I think 3 signups from the MLM industry. So I am trying to add some organic and paid ad marketing strategies for the MLM people also. So if I could give them value, I have at least 25 signups waiting for me from a particular company called Oriflame.
Right.
Because they are in touch with me from last 1 year, but due to this mentorship, they are just really surprised. Whatever course they have completed from within last 2 3 weeks, they are really impressed, and they are saying that if you can customize the same thing for MLM only, their 25 team will be into my mentorship
Wow.
as special assignment.
Hmm. Amazing. But did your profit margins increase, or are your profit margins still the same?
My profit margin at this time, I can say that it's 100% because I haven't spent a penny on ads. Because
Wow.
where I was in till the September, my revenue was 15 lakh rupees per month, and my ad spend was somewhere 13 lakh, 14 lakh, and my office expenses is more than 1.5 lakh. So, like in August, September, October, November, and December, I was running my total entire business in loss. Revenue was there, because we just can't say that I am not earning anything. So for that, what can I say? That formality to accomplish that formality, I used to say that I am earning 50,000 to 1 lakh, but it was nothing. It was minus.
Hmm.
So if you are asking me the increase rate of the value, sorry, income, it is increased 0 to 3 lakh per month.
Wow.
So in the percentage, it's 3 lakh percent.
Wow. I mean, if you really think about it, a lot of people talk about how much revenue that they are making, and you might see a lot of videos online as well. But like, I really appreciate your transparency, because you are saying that the revenue, even though that you will still get to 10 lakhs, which is pretty soon. You already have so many deals in your pipeline, but your profit margin is 100%, not like
Yes.
in negative, right? So congratulations on doing that.
Thank you very much. And thus, tactics or the strategies taught in the UFDT program, those, because all the data I was having, but I was not able to utilize that data,
Hmm.
or I was not having I was just trying to concentrate on Facebook ads, change strategy, changing audiences, changing the ad type, video type, image type, text type. I was just being busy with those things. But when I stopped everything and started UFDT coaching, it gave me time, or it gave me some insights to think about my already the clients who knows me.
Hmm.
And the strategy I tried, and fortunately, the my first try was successful. So it is if like I think I have a conversation with you before that. So you suggested me that I will suggest that what you haven't done, you should not talk. But I thought I have experience of 6 to 7 clients as a agency.
Hmm.
So I decided to go. Even after you suggested me that what you should do, that I should implement all those strategies, what I am going to teach people and get some clients for me. But I have done some reverse engineering because I was not having that much time.
Hmm.
Debts were increasing. Even Pratham knows my payment was also delayed of unit program because my commitments were not being fulfilled because I was busy in recording and
Hmm.
no sales was happening. So what I thought that the first or the ready product what I have to go with this, and I decided. Till now, I am making 4 calls per day. Only challenge for me is to how I can decide to whom I should speak. That is the only challenge with me right now.
Right. Which is a good problem to have because now you can pick and choose the people you want to talk to, right?
Yes, yes.
Amazing. So, Krishna, if you don't mind, can you tell me when you were spending around 10, 12 lakhs on ads, what was your funnel like and what exactly were you doing? If you can talk a little bit about that, and where did you learn all those things from?
Actually, I'm using Facebook from 2013-14,
Hmm.
and most of the things because one of my ad account that is prepaid, and I have spent 20 lakhs on that account because
Hmm.
I was not having any mentorship or any guidance.
Hmm.
Whatever I thought, I just tried and tested and start learning. But in 2018, I purchased some online Facebook ads courses from various mentors, and those courses really helped me. I learned conversion ads. I learned about pixels, analytics, audience insights. And as you asked me, most of my ads I was doing were conversion ads,
Hmm.
and those ads really converted very good because in April 2020 to April, May, June, July until July, my conversion or cost per conversion was 150 rupees, and
Hmm.
the product cost was 777. Like it was 5 times ours.
Hmm.
But then I realized, now I am realizing that it was just a bubble because due to Corona and lockdown, all the advertisers were, all the Facebook media buyers were less.
Hmm.
So ad was getting more space.
Hmm.
That was only why those ads were converting.
Hmm. Right.
Right now, I'm realizing that.
So you were basically sending people directly to a 777 product, and you were just trying to make sales from there, right?
Yes, yes.
Right.
There
Got
was
it.
there was just a landing page where 6 to 7 minute explainer video was there, and after that clicking, I was directly sending them to InstaMojo payment gateway.
Hmm. Got it. So I think the key lessons that we have learned is number one is, don't try to build a business that only runs short term, just, when it's taking
Yes.
advantage of the bubble. We need to build something
Yes.
that can survive in the long run, and for that we need to make sure that what we are selling is right. And I think the
Yes.
second lesson which I think that you have shared with us is, a lot of people obsess that it's Facebook ads, it's conversions, it's pixels, it's, all this different kind of technology out there. But I think the biggest change that happened with you was by changing your product, right? And
Yes.
also
Yes.
changing the price of your true worth. Considering you have 6, 7 years of experience, as you are telling me, you should
Yes.
definitely be charging what you're worth, right? So I think
Yes.
those two shifts really, really help you out, right? And anything else that you think that really helped you out?
The thing mostly yeah, that was the confidence because directly from 777 to charge 20K or to charge 35K, the lacking was confidence because I was thinking, I always thought even when I saw your video or many people's video, that I started underestimating myself that at 25 or 26 years people are doing great.
Hmm.
So there should be must something that they have, what I don't have, or I have to learn something. I was also trying to travel abroad and take some mentorship, from some people for that, because I was thinking to consult or to mentor someone. There is a special kind of degree or something miraculous skill you should carry it with you,
Hmm.
and that was stopping me.
Hmm.
So most valuable finding from UAPT to me is that it's like to become an expert, you just have to one step ahead from your prospect. That is
Right.
the biggest finding.
Right. Absolutely. And Krishna, you were telling me earlier that I think you booked a call with Pratham in 2019.
Yes.
What do you think was the reason why you didn't move forward back then, and why do you think you decided to go forward in 2020? Like, what changed?
Uh, Change, you mean change after taking the program, or the call, that the decision of that call?
The
What?
decision, the decision of the call. Like, why did you decide to not go in 2019, not invest in 2019, but then in 2020 you were like, Rohan, Pratham, I need this.
Yes, actually, in 2019, I was having various options, and my income flow or my cash flow also were really very good. And in that month, I mean, some that accident also happened. My leg was fractured. But the real thing was that I decided to invest in some tools
Hmm.
rather than EOCrit. But as I was impressed with all the ads on all the stuffs, and I had a very deep discussion with Pratham. I think it was 1.5 hours call. So somewhere in my mind there it was hidden that there is something in this program that can give me the real insight what I am trying to find.
Hmm.
And so in the month of December, when I again booked call with UMD, I think November end of December. So in that month, I decided that I have to invest somewhere in a particular solution which will guide me to the real path. Not all those things, because I was just purchasing courses, and at the end I came to that this is the same course. He is only someone added that you can do XYZ funnel, funnel. Someone added that you can use this kind of video. Someone added copy. Someone added graphics. But no one was able, not the single course was able to teach the strategy, or was able to teach how I can increase my prices.
Hmm.
And continuously I was looking your ads, the reviews of the people, and something happened. I don't know. I just can't express that thing. But at that on that day, even I was not having my credit card limit.
Hmm.
Pratham knows. So I decided that today I will not back off.
Hmm.
Whatever happens, if a guy to whom I talked barely 10 months ago, he was offering me 30,000, and today he is asking for 70,000. There must be something. Actually, your increased price made me take that decision on that day,
Hmm. Right.
because there must be some insane value. That's why these people are increasing their product price up to more than twice. Even
Hmm.
I requested Pratham that I have booked your course for by paying 1,500 rupees or 2,000, I think, some amount in the 30K. But he clearly denied. He said that that was for that version. Today we have added some more value, and still you will not, if you didn't decide today, still you will be struggling for selling those 777 or 1199 courses. Decision is yours, and I make the decision.
Wow, fantastic. And Krishna, since you are in the digital marketing industry for so long and you have taken like so many courses, you have taken so many mentorships, what do you think, made us stand out as compared to all the other courses that you have taken or what made you think that okay, this is why I should go forward with this?
Actually, weekly twice Q&A, that made a lot of difference because just to learn by watching videos, it is not possible. Second thing, I noticed that the program UFDD or content, it is it is contained in the sense of many popular or many successful theories. It is the only verse. After that, you don't have to follow any other book, any other program, because more than 4 lakh rupees I have invested in my learning in the year of 2020 only. 4 lakh rupees. Various mentorships or softwares, and the type of ads or type of appeal being made by UFDD, it was never about the targeting, never about the tools, never it was about some miraculous thing that you will be a billionaire. It was simple that if you want to sell your product at high ticket, come and learn from us. The only tagline is about that price point.
Right. Got it. Made sense. So this gives actually a lot of clarity because as I already discussed, people are really just obsessed about tools and Facebook ads and all that stuff, but really it's the core of what you're selling is what matters the most, right? So
Yes.
Krishna, once you joined, okay, so you told me that initially things were going around and you were trying to figure out. So when you said that you generated those 6 calls and out of that you closed 5 deals, so how did you go about generating those calls? What did you do? How did you decide your niche? If you can just if somebody is watching this video and somebody just starting out, if you can just give a small short overview of how did you go about doing the entire process and following this program successfully?
Okay. For my 6 calls were successful because the only thing I think it is in your ad or in which video I don't, I'm not remembering that. Bruce Lee used to means he was taking the people seriously who have practiced one kick for 1,000 times,
Right.
not to those who have knowledge of 1,000 kicks. That sentence, it was continuously playing somewhere in background in my mind. So what I done, I just analyzed all the 2,700 people who purchased my courses, various courses. The common thing between them, it was all of them. I mean, 90% of them were businessmen. And when I tried to find out why they buy or why they purchase my course, it was only that due to this drastic change or online conversion, they are frightening that the traditional marketing it is already not working, it is not producing results. So if they don't adopt technology, they will lose their business. It was the only fear. Because of that, they purchased my triple sum courses. Then what I done before doing first 6 calls, I just simply written a message in Marathi that was saying that I have always tried to put value in your life or in your businesses through my online courses. Here today I am communicating you not to sell anything, but I really want to discuss business with you. What problems you are facing, what is really going on, what help can boost your business. And those were 75 calls from my previous students only.
And you didn't
the
sell
main
anything.
thing,
So you did 75 calls and you didn't sell anything. Just
no,
feedback calls, survey
yeah,
calls.
it was a hypothesis.
Right.
Because like I was having a lot of tools, lot of skills, means it. I was totally confused what to sell. Even in my only 777 rupees course, I have taught graphic designing, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube channel monetization, then online selling skills. A lots of things were in that program. So I decided instead of running behind those tools or instead of telling them what can work for their business, I just decided to talk one-to-one with people, and then design a solution where, because in EOBT everything is taught. In my program, what I am doing, because right now I am really planning to work with 30 people. More 4 sign up and then I will stop my company. So to these 30 people, I am giving a very personalized service. I have enabled a feature for them that for once in a month, they can seek my direct support, where I just take this screen access and do whatever they are trying to do for their business. It may be an ad, it may be some copy, it may be a video shoot, whatever they are seeking help for. Personally, I am jumping there and helping to them, because I think that this is 30,000 or 35,000. It is also not my product. I just have to create 20 success story out of these 30 people, and after that, 100%, I am speaking this in front of camera. Within next 3 months, I will sell program at 1 lakh rupees through Facebook ads.
Right.
That strategy I am trying to work.
Right. That's such a good strategy.
Yes.
Because a lot of people think that you have to trade your time for money if you're going to charge more prices, and all these misconceptions that people are spreading around the marketplace. However, the fact is that you are just dedicating one call support to everybody in a month, right? And you're charging literally 10, 20, 30, like, as you compare to 777 to what you're charging now, it's like a huge increment. So like, would anybody accept that trade-off of giving 1 hour of time to to your clients and actually helping them get results? Absolutely not. So that's the biggest problem that I see with these 777 and 999, and these courses that are sold on webinar, that they sign a lot of people, but when I ask them, how many people have you genuinely helped? How many success stories do you have? What's the success rate as compared to the number of people that you have signed, right? I can even boast, like, I've worked with thousands and thousands of clients, but how many are making money, right? And that to be not just making money, how many are profitable? That is the main thing that matters. And like, I'm so proud of you, Krishna, that you have understood this concept. And 1 lakh, I even see you charging 5 lakhs very soon, right?
Yes.
So like, it's going to be definitely amazing. And Krishna, now that has been covered, so mainly you are targeting people who speak Marathi and they are business owners, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. So let's say anybody who's watching this video, maybe they are into the course business, or they are in a similar situation like yourself, like how you were back in September, spending 12 lakhs on ads and everything. What advice would you give to them now? Like, what would be your recommendation now?
My first recommendation will be stop following 2, 3, 4, 5 courses, or 2, 3, 4, 5 mentors. First thing. Second thing, just if they have their own client base, they should conduct a survey about satisfaction. And second thing, they should know that how many people have completed their goals.
Wow,
because
absolutely.
The secret is that each and every person who have booked my 35,000 mentorship, they are good learners. They have completed the entire course. In the period of that course also, they asked a lot of queries, or they raised a lot of queries. So the one who is involved in your product, that may be a 50 rupees product or a free webinar, if he is present for 100% time, he can be your potential client for any price point. Because he's impressed with.
Right.
He should be followed. And third thing, whatever, I just can't phrase that thing, but anybody who is entering into digital marketing or digital product space, he thinks that if it's a machine, if I put 1 lakh rupees as the ad budget, 2 lakhs will come out. This is the biggest misconception. Many people are being bankrupt because in that bubble of Corona or lockdown, even beginners got a huge success. and the beginners were thinking that यार ये तो बहुत आसान काम है, तो उन्होंने 5-5 लाख रुपए, they spent more than 5 lakh rupees by borrowing from someone. And right now I am because I am always I watch ads or I research the pages. 90% of the gurus or the coaches, their ads are vanished. Their pages are not working. Their landing pages are not working. What I'm trying to say that just don't depend on the ads or the tools. The real strategy you have to learn from a real mentor. And second, the most important thing is that we should try to utilize our own database, because data is commodity, and still having 3 to 4 thousand own students, I was just trying to I was just waiting that some ad will work, and again every day 777 rupees courses or 1,000 rupees courses, 20 conversions will happen, and 5,000 from that after spending on ads, at least 5,000 per day will be my margin. And most of the digital marketers are dreaming for that day only, and it continues to increase the debits. Nothing will be contributed by this strategy. That is what I am thinking.
Right, absolutely. So I think two key things that I learned from you as well, Krishna. Actually, the first thing that I am very impressed that you applied this principle of mine very carefully. You actually surveyed your customers and you actually found out what is their problem, what do they really want, and what can actually get them results. And only because you did this, you were able to create this product that you are able to sell at this high ticket rate. Because most people are just launching course after course that is benefiting nobody. And so congratulations on doing that. That's the first thing. And the second thing that you have clearly pointed out is, in the short run, a lot of people will enter the marketplace and they will boast about making quick money. But what will matter is the people who will stay there for years, right? So it is a long run game. It's a marathon. It's not a sprint, right? So that's the best thing ever. So Krishna, would you recommend UAbility to other people who are watching this program? Would you encourage them to buy this program?
Yes. Yeah. With your permission, I can share an incident about UAbility.
Sure.
Last week we encountered, means Pratham and I encountered for a strategy session. The session was booked by the same guy. He is my ex-student for my cellular skill course, and I really tried putting value in that course. So what happened? Even first call was with Pratham. Then next day my call happened. He finished total call, and at the end he said that Krishna, I just had a talk with Pratham yesterday, and everything except language, it is same there. But still, I want to go with you because it's not cost, but I can seek support. I can come to your office. I will not be able to go to your city, or I know you. I have consumed your couple of courses. So even at that point, I was not frightened, or I didn't try to hide anything. I tell him that I have also taken program from UAbility. After that, he said me that Pratham already told me he show your profile in their group. So what this I just didn't hesitate to recommend UAbility to my own student also. Because I have said that this course is entirely impressed or inspired from UAbility. There is nothing hidden in that. Even I asked Pratham that is there any policy violation if I am doing same thing, and the same people we are targeting, our study sessions are being encountered. He said simply nothing. If someone is ready to pay, or someone is meant to be convert for a 35K program, absolutely he is not for my 70K program. This is our principle, and ahead we are going to increase this up to 1 lakh. So just like UAbility or Pratham or Rohan is transparent, I am also transparent. Even this video or any testimonial video, I will not hesitate to post it on my page also. Means I will recommend you everything. There
Right.
is nothing is hidden.
Absolutely. Really appreciate that, Krishna. And this level of transparency, this is what we stand for as well, because we don't want to hide anything from nobody. So here's the truth. So, Krishna, if anybody wants to get in touch with you, or anybody wants to actually join your program, take consultation, especially if they're from Maharashtra, how can they get in touch with you?
Actually, I can share a URL. It's krishnabhamse.com. There are various extensions about my Calendly bookings, or they can also get in touch with me by just visiting my page. It's TKC Digital, TKC Digital, or my numbers are also displayed on my website. That is 9921571234. It's my direct calling number, and I always prefer to talk to people front to front. So if anybody wants any advice, or anybody wants to sign up, or anybody who needs any help to develop his MVP or his low fidelity funnel, before charging, I am ready to help.
Right. Amazing. So what I'll do is I'll take all this links and information from Krishna, and I'll put it in the description that's given below. You can check out Krishna's website. You can actually see that this is real, and Krishna is doing a wonderful job. And if you think this is a good fit, feel free to contact him. And if you think that you're a good fit for UW's program, as Krishna said, you really want to scale this forward, then feel free to apply for a consultation call with us. And Krishna, thank you so much for taking out this time and doing this interview with me today. And I wish you nothing but the best. And I'm pretty sure that by the end of the year, I'll be seeing you at 10 lakhs a month.
Thank you, David. Thank you very much.
Amazing.